Hello and welcome to J&G Electric. My name is Joey. I'm the master electrician. Today we are talking about preventative maintenance. When you think of preventative maintenance for your car, that's an oil change, tune-up, spark plugs, whatever. Well, just because your electrical system is working does not mean that it doesn't need preventative maintenance. What we're talking about is removing these 6 panel screws that's on this cover, doing a visual inspection on the internal parts, your circuit breakers, your main circuit breaker, the neutral connections, the power connections, as well as the ground connections. We're visually looking for discoloration on screws, melting plastic on the insulation of the conductors. That would indicate loose connection. Over a period of time, depending on how much energy you use in your house on a daily basis, monthly basis, yearly basis, when the air conditioning turns on, your electric stove turns on, there is heat caused by drawing electricity. That's just how it works. So what happens is the conductor heats, it cools, it heats, it cools over weeks, months, years. And what happens is there's a thing called creeping. And what that does is that actually loosens the screw over a period of time and the conductor. And when you have a loose connection, heat is created. Heat created creates failure of the system and potential fire hazards. So by taking a proactive step in your home's electrical system with preventative maintenance is a well invested thing that you could do for your home for safety, as well as dependability of not having an emergency service call either on a holiday weekend, nighttime, or whatever, because the electrical rate is normally time and a half or double time depending on when you may call. Even though we provide 24-hour electrical service, if you can take a proactive approach to preventative maintenance, this could save you. Something like this where you have this panel here and this panel here is probably going to take maybe an hour to do. What we actually do, as I said, we're going to remove the panel cover, we're going to do a visual inspection, then we're going to use our torquing screwdriver, we're going to torque all the connections down to the proper specifications, we're going to vacuum the enclosure out and put the cover back on and do, in this home here, it has a sub panel that would be done as well. Something like that would be about $340 cost. If it was done in a half an hour, our minimum service call is $229. So the minimum service call at $229, don't necessarily know we'd be able to get both panels done within that time frame, but if you had just one panel, that is how long it would take. So I would encourage you to consider it and give J&G a call at 301-670-1717. Ask for Joey. Tell him that you saw this video on our website and YouTube, and we will give you a surprise discount. Thanks again for viewing and have a great day.